Once symbols of American ambition and space exploration, these towering machines carried missions beyond our atmosphere. This is not just destruction, this is rebirth through engineering, from the stars to steel. Today, we step inside a place few have ever seen, a vast industrial recycling yard where hundreds of retired rockets lie under the morning sun.
In the quiet light of early morning, beneath a sky just beginning to warm with the glow of sunrise, they lie in silence. Hundreds of rockets, once symbols of ambition, once machines of thunder and flame, now weathered, rusted, and resting on cracked concrete in a vast recycling yard. Across acres of reinforced concrete pads, the rockets stretch toward the horizon. Some lie intact, others lean slightly, stabilized by steel cradles. Once retired, these rockets cannot simply remain. They are too large, too valuable, too engineered, and so begins the transformation.
Still 1000.0, looking good. Yeah, keep checking as I grind.
Reading stabilizing. Initiate purge sequence.
Copy that. Purge commencing.
Initiating flow.
Verify pressure limits.
Verified. Steady state.
Monitoring effluent.
Да, сидит слично. Чуть еще не спарно, ты смотрел в этом лесте, только спазметла как с ним утранение нету.
Keep an eye on the 39809. Okay, slight fluctuation. Pressure seems adequate. Agree. The coverage is thorough. Placards are off, securing the green tag. Green tag is clear. Let's get the lifting bracket secured. Bracket is on and bolted tight. Ready for the lift. All clear here. Tag secured. Check this bracket.
The primary cut is finishing now. Monitor the separation. It's moving as expected, starting the next pass.
Phases now. Controlled lift. Watch the alignment.
The first machine moves. A tracked hydraulic shear rolls forward, steel jaws wide. It clamps onto a rocket's midsection. The sound is immediate and violent. Metal groans. Panels buckle. Structural ribs snap under thousands of tons of force. Sparks burst outward in bright flashes. Dust rises into the morning air.
The gantry is cutting well, staying right on spec. Impressive work. The precision is perfect.
The gantry is making good progress. Yes, it's trimming the bulkheads efficiently.
Nearby, another machine, a hydraulic crusher, lowers its immense steel plates onto a fuselage. The cylindrical body, once designed to withstand launch pressures, begins to collapse inward, layer by layer, precision destruction. This is not chaos, it is calculated. Engineers monitor hydraulic pressure. Workers signal operators with practiced gestures. Once reduced to manageable segments, the rocket bodies move deeper into the facility. Large industrial shredders consume twisted panels. Rotating steel teeth grind aerospace alloys into fragments. The air fills with the scent of hot metal and dust, but what looks like destruction is, in truth, recovery. Inside the foundry, heat becomes absolute. Industrial furnaces roar to life. Molten metal glows white-orange within crucibles lined with refractory brick. Shredded rocket fragments are fed into the fire. They soften. They liquefy. They lose their former identity. The NASA logos are gone now, the American flags no longer visible. But the material, the very atoms that once traveled beyond the atmosphere, remain. Workers in heat-resistant suits monitor temperatures exceeding 1,500 degrees Celsius. The molten metal is poured into massive molds. It cools into ingots, solid blocks of reborn potential.
Keep it steady. Temperatures are holding. Affirmative. Let's adjust the flow. Watch that edge. Looks good.
The cooled metal slabs enter rolling mills, where enormous steel cylinders compress them into long, flat panels. Each pass reduces thickness. Each rotation strengthens the grain structure. Sparks occasionally burst from contact points. The panels lengthen. They become uniform. Soon, the once spacefaring material is indistinguishable from new industrial stock. Corrugation presses shape the sheets into ribbed panels. The ridges add strength without excessive weight. These panels will not return to space. They will serve a different purpose.
Look steady. Keep it running.
In a vast assembly hall, robotic welders ignite. Frames are constructed first. Rectangular skeletons of reinforced steel. Side panels are lifted into place by overhead cranes. Robotic arms weld seams with bright arcs of light. The rhythm is constant, precise, efficient. Floor panels are bolted and welded, roof sections sealed.
Cięcia, Fabricating mit vị đang cùng nhìn này qua chế cho sự thể quán nên mình chơi chín giới của đập phán thuật lập. Để có thể phơi sau này với đừng chế mà dành chế ngay phổi dẫn.
The temperature is optimal. Ready to proceed. Engaging the belt. Entering the cure zone.
另外 лифтова стрела до Базилия полом. Итвод пикентериата свориная. Вызапъцани ни стутъл, пивастам не лъсатели.
Så trisikveds degnet okja bran formnesteister mirma изгреза включоза тагне. Я бран kveds de progokemats от простигумейда по.
Reading shows 32 degrees.
Check the locking rod, it's within tolerance.
Doors are installed with heavy-duty hinges and locking bars. The structure becomes recognizable. A shipping container. Strong, modular, global. The metal that once held rocket fuel now forms the walls of cargo units that will cross oceans and
Green line,
highways.
14.5. Adjusting, got it. Tightening the right bracket now.
Precision does not end at assembly. Each container undergoes inspection. Laser systems measure dimensions. Load cells verify weight distribution. Pressure tests ensure door seals are airtight. Technicians scan RFID tags and record batch data. The transformation is not symbolic, it is structural. The same engineering standards once required for spaceflight now inform durability and strength in a different context. These containers must withstand stacking, transport vibration, weather, and years of use. Aerospace durability finds a new purpose.
Keep it steady. Watch the clearance on the right. Looks good. Easy, easy. Lower it down now.
Outside, the yard is alive with motion. Forklifts transport completed containers to staging zones. Gantry cranes lift them onto flatbed trailers. Workers secure twist locks and chains. Convoys begin to form. Morning light reflects off fresh paint and corrugated steel surfaces. The journey that began with ignition and liftoff now concludes with wheels turning on asphalt. From launch pad to loading dock. From orbit to infrastructure. There is something poetic about this cycle. The rockets once represented aspiration, humanity reaching upward.
Status update on container 78281. Seal looks good?
Affirmative. Labeling on the JSV unit is correct. Uploading data now.
Now their material strengthens the systems that connect the world below. Global trade, supply chains, infrastructure.
Write that down. Good.
Keep it steady there. Coming down slow. That's it, perfect. Lock it down.
Chains are secured. Let's move it out. Copy. Initiating lift.
Their second life may not capture headlines, but it supports economies and industries across continents. The American flags are no longer painted on their surfaces, but their story remains embedded in the metal. As space exploration expands, with new missions, private launches, and reusable systems, the question of sustainability becomes increasingly urgent. What happens when hardware retires? This facility offers one answer. Nothing is wasted. Even the tools of exploration can be reimagined. The recycling of rockets is not an end. It is a continuation. A reminder that progress does not have to leave debris behind. It can transform.